If you want to enable back tap option on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max, I show you how. So first head to settings app and scroll down and open accessibility and scroll down a bit, then touch and scroll down to the end. Then you can see back tap. Open that. Here we have two options, double tap or triple tap. First I show you using double tap. Open this and usually it's selected to none. You just need to select any one of these option under system. You can use action button, camera control, so lock screen, screenshot, anything. For example, I select the front camera. Okay, now I just minimize this and turn off that. If I double tap on the back of the iPhone 17, see what happens. You can see now just back and triple tap, open this. Here also you can choose any of the actions. I just choose screenshot. It's very useful. So let's see. So like this, you just need to tap on this space. On older model iPhones you can tap anywhere, but iPhone 17 or 17 Pro you need to tap here. So like this. So if I double tap, camera will be pop-ups. If I triple tap, it will take a screenshot. Usually on the double tap I go with lock screen, so I don't use this button. You just need to double tap, then your screen will be locked like this. So this is very useful. And if you want to know more videos about iPhone 17, watch this playlist.